Greetings, Salesforce marketers. Welcome to Marketing Maze by Careerya, the podcast where we unravel the intricacies of campaigns, their strategic alliances, and the impactful journey within Salesforce. I'm your host, Careerya, and today, we're diving deep into the realm of marketing. Get ready for real-world examples, implementation insights, interview-ready knowledge, and a quiz to elevate your Salesforce marketing mastery. Podcast episode, Campaign Chronicles, Navigating the Salesforce Marketing Terrain with Campaigns and Their Strategic Alliances. Next, let's commence our exploration by understanding the pivotal element, campaigns. Part 1, Marketing Odyssey, Campaigns in Salesforce. In the marketing landscape of Salesforce, campaigns are like odysseys, representing the strategic initiatives your business undertakes. They are the vessels that carry your messages to your audience and chart the course of your marketing endeavors. Example 1. Picture launching a new product. A campaign could be the overarching initiative, and within it, you could have sub-campaigns for email marketing, social media promotions, and events. Each sub-campaign is a strategic alliance within the broader marketing odyssey. Implementation insights. To implement campaigns, navigate to the Salesforce setup, customize the campaign object, and define the necessary fields. Leverage Salesforce's hierarchy and member statuses to organize your campaigns effectively. Establish relationships with leads, contacts, and opportunities to track the impact of your marketing efforts. Next, now, let's delve into the intricate relationships between campaigns and their strategic alliances. Part 2, Strategic Alliances, Understanding the Bonds between Campaigns and Sub-Campaigns. The relationships between campaigns and their sub-campaigns are like strategic alliances, where each alliance contributes to the success of the overarching campaign. Understanding these bonds is crucial for effective marketing management. Example 2. Imagine a campaign for a summer sale. Within this campaign, you could have sub-campaigns for email promotions, social media ads, and an in-store event. Each sub-campaign contributes to the overall success of the summer sale initiative. Implementation insights. To implement these alliances, leverage Salesforce's hierarchy functionality within the campaign object. Create parent campaigns for overarching initiatives and child campaigns for specific strategies. Utilize member statuses to track the progress of each alliance. Next, moving on, let's explore the interview-worthy aspects of mastering campaigns. Interview insights, Salesforce marketing mastery questions. Question 1. Can you explain how Salesforce helps in tracking the effectiveness of a marketing campaign? Answer 1. Salesforce helps in tracking the effectiveness of a marketing campaign by allowing users to associate leads, contacts, and opportunities with campaigns. This association provides insights into the impact of marketing efforts on revenue generation. Question 2. How do you approach organizing complex marketing initiatives with multiple components in Salesforce? Answer 2. Organizing complex marketing initiatives involves leveraging Salesforce's campaign hierarchy. Parent campaigns represent overarching initiatives, while child campaigns represent specific strategies or tactics. This hierarchical structure helps in maintaining clarity and organization. Question 3. What role do member statuses play in a Salesforce campaign, and how can they be utilized effectively? Answer 3. Member statuses in a Salesforce campaign indicate the progress of leads or contacts associated with the campaign. Utilizing member statuses effectively involves defining clear stages, such as sent, responded, and converted, to track the engagement and conversion journey. Next. Now, let's challenge your Salesforce marketing mastery with a quiz. Quiz: elevate your Salesforce marketing mastery. Question 1. What is the primary purpose of campaigns in Salesforce? Listen for an answer. Answer 1. In Salesforce, campaigns represent strategic marketing initiatives and serve as a central hub for organizing and tracking marketing efforts. Question 2. How can Salesforce users organize complex marketing initiatives with multiple components? Listen for an answer. Answer 2. Salesforce users can organize complex marketing initiatives by leveraging the campaign hierarchy. Parent campaigns represent overarching initiatives, and child campaigns represent specific strategies or tactics. There you have it, a journey through the marketing odyssey of Salesforce, exploring the realms of campaigns and their strategic alliances. If you found this episode enlightening, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your fellow marketers, and subscribe to Careerya for more Salesforce marketing adventures.